Hello, today we'll be working on another simple lab scenario, that is adding additional subnet to an existing VNet. I recommend you to watch our previous video on creation of VNet and two subnets. Now let's get started. Currently we are on our virtual network section, and on the left hand side you would see a settings. Now under the setting, select subnets. Select add subnet on the top hand side. Here we would be providing two things. The first, subnet name, that is subnet 3, and another is subnet CIDR, that is 10.0.3.0/24, and leaving all the things as is. Yeah, now we can see that the additional subnet is created. If you really want to deploy additional subnet using the Terraform, the link will be provided in the resources section. That is all from this lab. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.